Women are only loyal to one thing. They are not loyal to you as a man. I'm sorry to say this, but this is a fact. This is an honest that most men don't want to hear, but it's a fact. Women are only loyal to one thing that I'm going to talk about in this video. So stick with me until the end of this video so you understand and you know what women really care about, especially when they are dealing with men, especially when they are in our lives as a man. So women don't love us, women don't care about us. I know it's a controversial topic, it's an argumentative topic. In as much as you want to argue with me, in as much as you want to defend your woman that you have right now in your life, I just give me some few minutes so that I can elaborate the nature of this creature called women. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. First of all, women are independent creatures. They claim to say that they love men. They claim to say that they are part of our lives as men, but they are not. They've a hidden agenda, especially when they are coming into a man's life. Their hidden agenda is always to benefit themselves. They are selfish. I'm sorry to say this, but women are selfish. They have that ego of wanting to benefit from either transaction that they make. They want to benefit. So I want you to remember that women are independent creatures. They don't necessarily care about you. They don't necessarily love you as a man. They only love what they benefit from a man. So I'll start by saying when a woman is saying I love you to a man, she's not necessarily meaning it. No. What she says is that she loves the provision, she loves the lifestyle that you are bringing up to her, not you. She doesn't give a care about you. To her, you are nothing. That's why you see, if you a man, you have your things together. If you are rich, you a woman can seems to be a perfect woman. But be broke to an extent that you cannot even finance her. You cannot even provide her financially. Then you see the true nature of the woman that you are claiming she loves you. Women only care about one thing, which I'm about to talk about here now. Women only care about their feelings, not you. They don't care about your sacrifices. They don't care about what you give to them. They only care about their feelings. And the most tragic thing is that women use emotions. Listen to this. Women use emotions. At that given moment when you are not satisfying her emotionally, if she finds someone who meets her needs, especially emotionally, she'll consider that guy. I heard a joke at one time when I listened to someone saying that a woman can forget someone who bought her a car, falling in love with someone who is fixing her car. So that can only tell you that these people are emotional beings. They only care about what is happening with that current time, that given moment time. So stop having that illusion of thinking that my wife loves me. No, 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 no. Until you get to a point where you are struggling as a man, you cannot provide, you cannot protect your woman. Then you see the true nature of this creature. Women are only loyal to their feelings. That's the only thing that they care about. And I want you to remember this statement. A woman's sense of self-preservation is stronger than her emotion of love. I'll say it again. A woman's sense of self-preservation is stronger than her emotion of love. So there's no love that you can think of that you can give to a woman that will be above her sense of preservation and survival. Her sense of survival and preservation always comes first before she can even consider your love as a man. So it's very hard to predict a woman's love as a man. This is my message out there. This is my message to every young man watching me right now. I want you to remember that don't base your life on a woman. I don't care what she's telling you right now. I don't care what she's promising you right now. At a given moment, she will betray you. Mark my words, and I can bet on that. She can betray you. Only thing that you need to do is to focus on the things that can benefit you personally. Things like your personality, your integrity, your purpose, your mandate, your mission. Focus on those things that can benefit you as a man, and stop putting so much effort, so much energy on a woman, because at the end of the day, she will betray you. A woman's sense of self preservation is stronger than an emotion of love. So don't think that your woman loves you. Most of the women, they use their children as a weapon to manipulate their men. They always have a hidden agenda. Each and every girl that is in relationship right now, if you are to ask her properly, she's not in that relationship so that she loves that man. No, she's in a relationship just because there's something that she wants, something that she's benefiting from that man, from that young man. Love is only about second priority or third priority. The first thing, it's all about it's all about your selfishness, not you. So you need to be wise. You need to be very, very observant when you're dealing with women. Women don't love you. In as much as you want them to love you, but that can never happen. And I want to say something that can encourage you as a man. There's no guarantee in any life that you can think of that if you are to provide everything for a woman, if you are to give her everything, if you are to buy her house, if you have to buy a car, that she will be loyal, or she won't cheat you. No, at the end of the day, she will cheat you above everything that you have bought, or above the sacrifice that she'll forget that in an instant. If she meets a guy who is satisfying her emotionally at that given moment time. So I'm sorry, gents. I'm sorry, young men. I'm sorry, brothers. I'm sorry, grandfathers. I'm sorry, my fathers. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but this is an honest truth. Whether you take it or leave it, but that's the nature of women. That's the nature of this creature that we're dealing with. Women only care about their feelings. They only care about what they benefit to them, not you as a man. Look at statistics right now. Suicide is happening to a lot of men. A lot of men are killing themselves because they provide everything for a woman. They put their trust so much on a woman, and at the end of the day, they are disappointed. They're disappointed. And suicide, if you are to look at the rate of suicide, is high because of trusting women. And this is something that is bothering me as I'm shooting this video. It's something that is bothering me. How can we, as men of this generation, we put so much trust on a lady? We put so much money on a lady, a person who can change, a creature that can change at any given moment. How can we do that as men? If we are to claim that we are strong men, how can we do that? To put so much trust on a woman? There's this generation, it's they are men, but they are female. They are wearing clothes of men, but inside they are female. We have some few men left in this generation. A lot of men are now speaking like women. They're now acting like women. They're now complaining like women. Few real men are left in this world. So this is my message out there. If you are listening to this video, I want you to pass this message to every man. Be a man. Focus on your mandate. Focus on your purpose. Focus on your mission. Focus on your mission. Let's remove that illusion of seeing women as our center of origin. We are the origin as men. We should pursue our own destiny. We should focus on our mission. We should focus on our purpose as men. Let's not provide everything for a woman. In as much as women are important, don't get me wrong, women are important. I'm not disregarding that fact. Women are important, but to some extent, I want you to remember that men, we are the center for everything. We are the center of everything. And if you just think about it, if Bill Gates, Elon Musk experience divorces, with that kind of so much money that they have, they experience divorces, and you as a person, and you as a normal person, as a normal young man and man, you think that you can fulfill a woman void for the rest of your life. You are lying, my brother. You are lying. You are lying. You can never fulfill a woman's desire. You can wake up next morning and you can buy the whole planet for her, but at the end of the day, she'll disappoint you, she'll cheat you, she'll frustrate you in so many ways that you can think of. There's a quote that I was listening to, a man who was saying that the biggest decision to destroy a woman is to give her everything that she wants. I will let that sink in. The biggest decision to destroy a woman's happiness is to give her everything she wants. So, meaning to say that if you give a woman what she wants, if you provide for her, if you call her, if you do everything, there's no guarantee that person will be there for you. Because at some point, you won't fulfill that void. You won't fulfill that void. So, this is a message to every young man listening. Women only care about themselves. They are selfish. They are selfish. You can sacrifice for a woman for the rest of your life, doing everything as a man, working hard, but the next day she can decide to spend the rest of life with someone else that never built her, that never provided her anything. Women are incapable of doing that. So as you have your woman right now, I know that there are some young men watching me saying that I'm crazy. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's nature, my brother. It's time. One day nature will knock upon your door, then you remember my words. Nature definitely will knock on your door. Then you remember that this guy, some other day, you look for my video. I know. So before you criticize me, before you judge on me, analyze this video and do your own research about women. And don't sit there and don't stand there listening to me and say, my wife loves me so much. My brother, you have never seen the other side of that woman you are claiming she loves you. You can never know the true character of a woman. As long as everything is flowing, you can never be broke, face some financial challenges as a man, and now you see the true nature of this creature that you are claiming that she loves you. So this is my message out there, and don't forget, a woman's sense of self-preservation, it's stronger than your emotion of love. It's stronger than your emotion of love. The only thing to survive as a man is to focus on your purpose. Don't focus on women. Focus on something that fulfills your happiness. Focus on something that fulfills your happiness as a man. Don't focus on any woman, because at the end of the day, she'll reject you, she'll disappoint you. And what are you going to do next? What? The problem is, as a man, we have been raised to act like defective girls. And we grow up with a mentality of being a nice to ladies. And by nature, women don't want nice guys, they want bad boys. Until you tap into a woman's nature, then you know what women really want. So before I close this video, I want you to remember, as a man, focus on your purpose, focus on your life, focus on your personality, focus on your integrity. Stop putting so much energy, so much trust on a woman, because at the end of the day, she will deceive you. We have so many people in this world that have been deceived by women, claiming that they trust women and they love them, but at the end of the day, they were deceived. So this is my message out there. If you really love this video, pass it on to other people. Share this video to many people as you can, so that they will understand about this nature, about this creature called women. Women are loyal to their feelings, not your sacrifices as a man. You need to think that deep. You need to think that deep. So take your time and think about this video. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. And I can go on and on, but for today, let me stop here. Let me stop here. And I'm eager to hear your comments. I want to hear your comments, so that maybe in my next episode I can release more videos which are related to this topic. So thank you for watching this video. I love you guys, and don't forget to If you really love this channel, if you really love my videos, please just subscribe so that you see my other episodes. So thank you so much, and don't forget, a woman's sense of self-preservation is stronger than her emotion of love. Thank you so much. Until we see each other again, thank you. Cheers.